Welcome back for another guitar lesson, and glad to have you with us again. Now we're going to talk about the parts of the electric guitar. Depending on what type of guitar that you have, I think you'll find that for the most part, most of your electronics and how it all works is going to be very similar. If you have questions about it, I would encourage you again to visit your local music store in regards to how they look. Some of them are flat. Some of them have a little bit of a rise to them, or an arch. Some of them, like I say, are just flat. Some of them have a lot of knobs and switches. Some of them have very few. But here's what I can show you. This guitar is a Gibson Les Paul. If you check out Joe Bonamassa on WTCI, when you see him, this is Joe Bonamassa's guitar of choice. Now, the one that Joe plays is from about 1959. Mine is not quite that old or that expensive. This is only from about 1990. But as we talk about the parts of the electric guitar, very similar. You have a bridge. You have a saddle. Now, one of the major differences on the acoustic guitar, we had a sound hole here that when you pick the string and the string would vibrate, that's what reverberates the sound out of that sound hole. What you have on an electric guitar is you have what is called pickups. There's one back here, which is referred to as the bridge pickup. There is one here that is referred to as the neck pickup. Now, you will also see some guitars that may have 3 pickups here. Some may only have 1. That's fairly common, as either 1, 2, or 3 pickups. It's rare that you run into a guitar that will have more than that. That's what this switch up here does, though. This switch up here controls these pickups. When it's up, it is in the treble position, which means it plays out of this bridge pickup back here. So you can hear the difference. There's the bridge pickup. Now, if we want to switch pickups and we go to this pickup here at the neck, I just flip it down. Gives it a slightly different tonality. The knobs down here are for both volume and tone. Each of these are volume knobs for each pickup. So if I am playing on the treble pickup, as I am now, which is this pickup here, I can turn it down. And you're not going to be able to hear it, but I can turn it up. Same thing goes with the rhythm pickup, or this front pickup. These 2 knobs back here are both tone knobs, and with the tone knobs, right now I keep mine rolled all the way open and set to 10. As a matter of fact, Eddie Van Halen never had a tone knob on his guitar because he didn't see the point in it, because he always kept it set at 10. So I just always roll mine open and pretty much leave them there. However, you can roll it back. And again, let's hear, this is with the tone knob all the way up at 10. And we roll it off. You can hear how it makes it a little bit, I want to say, darker sounding. Same thing goes with this one. On 10, we roll it back. Just a little bit of a darker, maybe even a more muffled sound. The other parts of the guitar are pretty much going to be the same as the ones that we talked about on the acoustic guitar. You've got the neck, you have the fretboard. Again, you have dots at 3, 5, 7, 9, and 12. You have the headstock with your tuning keys, and I've got my tuner attached on this one. And we talked about it on the acoustic guitar. Most of the time on the electric, you're going to find a peg for your straps on an electric guitar. The other thing I will say, there is a jack at the end, usually somewhere near the bottom of the guitar, and that is where you plug your cable in that runs into your amplifier. That is going to do it for us with another guitar lesson. Thanks again for being with us, and we hope that you'll make plans to join us again soon. It's time for us to start playing, and we're going to do that in our next lesson.